Hi, I'm Lizzie from the Academy team. Now, when it comes to buying a new camera, we all like to do a little bit of research before we head into store. So I'm here today just to clear up some of that technical jargon you may have come across. Now, when it comes to megapixels, we shouldn't always get caught up in going for the camera with the most. All our megapixels really mean is how detailed an image we're going to get. So technically, how large we could actually print that photo. Now, even with 8 megapixels, we can comfortably print a detailed image at A4. So for most of the newer cameras that we've got in store, we can actually print up to poster size. Image stabilizer. Now this is the anti-shake mechanism built inside of our cameras. The two most common ways that this will be used is either through your optical stabilization, where there's normally a floating piece inside of your lens, or your sensor itself that moves to counteract any shake, or digital stabilization. Now that is done during your processing stage of the camera. Big advantages of having this image stabilization. It's going to lead to those steadier photos when you're using your full optical zoom, and also during low light conditions, where it just means there's no need for one of these guys. Zoom. Now there are two ways in which digital cameras will zoom. The first one being optical. Now this is where your lens is actually going to expand and contract depending on the focal length you want for your shot. It's also going to be using all of your sensor, so you're still going to get that same great detail out of that image. The second option being digital zoom. Now our digital zoom normally kicks in once we reach the furthest length of our optical zoom. And though it appears as though our camera is zooming in closer for us, what it's actually doing is just cropping in on our image, which means it's lowering our resolution, which doesn't make it ideal if we still want that high quality print. Facial recognition. Now this is where your camera recognizes the faces in your shots and chooses them as your point of focus. Sometimes you can even choose multiple faces, and in some cameras that means up to 10 different faces in focus at any one time. This makes it great for those family shots or group shots because you're always guaranteed to make sure everyone looks nice and sharp and in focus.